Ever wondered how important your kidneys are to your overall health? These two bean-shaped organs work tirelessly, filtering waste from your body and playing an essential role in your overall well-being. But sometimes, they need a little help. That's where diet comes in. Today we'll explore the top 20 foods that can help cleanse your kidneys naturally. From antioxidant-rich fruits to fiber-packed vegetables, these foods can help your kidneys function at their peak. So let's dive into the top 20 foods that can help detox your kidneys naturally. Starting at number 20, we have garlic, a potent superfood with anti-inflammatory properties that help protect your kidneys. Then we've got red bell peppers at 19. These are low in potassium and high in antioxidants, perfect for kidney health. 18 brings us to cranberries, known for their urinary tract benefits, and they're also great for your kidneys. At 17, we have blueberries, packed with antioxidants that aid in kidney function. Strawberries come in at 16, offering not just a sweet treat, but also kidney-supportive nutrients. 15 gives us cherries, known to reduce inflammation and help your kidneys. Red grapes at 14 are filled with flavonoids that protect your kidneys. 13 introduces egg whites, a pure protein source that's easy on the kidneys. At 12, we have fish, rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are beneficial for kidney health. And finally, at 11, we have olive oil, a healthy fat that helps reduce inflammation and aids in kidney function. Now, let's move on to the top 10 foods for a natural kidney detox. Breaking into the top 10, at number 10, we have the humble cabbage. Low in potassium, yet high in vitamin K and fiber, it's a wonderful addition to your kidney-friendly diet. Coming in at number 9 are onions. Their powerful flavor makes them an ideal salt substitute, reducing your sodium intake. At number 8, we have the crisp and refreshing apples. An apple a day could indeed keep the kidney doctor away with its fiber and anti-inflammatory properties. Number 7 introduces the heart-friendly red grapes packed with flavonoids and resveratrol, supporting kidney health. At number 6, we've got egg whites, a pure protein source with less phosphorus, perfect for those kidney-healthy meals. Number 5 presents the versatile fish, rich in omega-3 fatty acids and quality protein. Counting down to number 4, we have cauliflower, a delicious source of vitamin C, folate, and fiber. At number 3 are the tropical pineapples, low in potassium and high in fiber. Water, nature's miracle liquid, takes the second spot. And there you have it, the top 20 foods to help detox your kidneys naturally. To recap, your kidneys are vital to your health, and these top 20 foods can aid in their natural detoxification. From nutrient-rich berries and leafy greens to the power-packed punch of turmeric and garlic, these foods provide essential vitamins and antioxidants. Including them in your diet can support your kidneys' natural cleansing process. Eating a balanced diet is key to overall kidney health. Remember, your kidneys are your body's natural filter. Keep them clean and healthy with these beneficial foods. Thank you for watching, and here's to your health.